Proximate cause is often discussed within the context of tort law, but like in a negligence claim, proximate cause must also be proven in a breach of contract claim. In Royal Indemnity Company versus Factory Mutual Insurance Company, the court considered the extent to which recoverable damages must be proximately caused by negligent conduct in a contract breach. Deere & Company was a manufacturer of agricultural equipment. Royal Indemnity Company provided primary insurance to Deere, and Factory Mutual Insurance Company provided excess coverage and loss prevention services, which included safety inspections. While Deere was considering leasing a warehouse, Factory Mutual inspected the warehouse to determine whether its fire safety system was adequate. Factory Mutual approved the fire safety system, but it never actually tested certain aspects, such as the sprinkler system. Deere ultimately leased the warehouse and used it to store its equipment. Soon after Deere executed the lease, its insurance policy with Factory Mutual ended, and Royal became Deere's sole insurer. In 2001, the warehouse caught fire. Firefighters failed to extinguish the fire due to the warehouse's inadequate water pressure, and the fire burned down the warehouse, destroying Deere's equipment. Deere sued Factory Mutual, claiming that its inadequate inspection breached its contract with Deere and was negligent. Royal paid Deere over $70 million in compensation, and the trial court subrogated Royal to Deere's claim. At trial, the court issued a directed verdict in Factory Mutual's favor on the negligence claim, finding that Royal had failed to prove Factory Mutual's conduct proximately caused Deere's damages. However, the court found in Royal's favor on the breach of contract claim. Each party appealed the respective claim it lost in the Iowa Supreme Court.